Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm doing a soft glam natural makeup look. And first I'm starting with moisturizer. I used one from CeraVe. My skin has been so dry lately, it's so annoying, so just ignore that. Then I'm filling in my brows with this light blonde eyebrow powder. It's from the brand $1 Billion Brow, and it's just the lightest shade. Now I'm going in with the Kush Fiber Brow Gel from Milk Makeup. And I'm almost out of this, so it doesn't really show up super well, but there's still a little bit left. And then I go in with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, and I just cut out my brows, just carving them to make them really on fleek. And I use a flat brush to do this, a flat rounded brush. And I carve in the top as well, and I put a little bit of concealer on my forehead and then just blend all of that in. I don't always cut out my brows depending on where I'm going, but I just wanted to do it for the makeup look today. Just blend that out. Then now I'm using this Violet Voss palette. I got this in a BoxyCharm like 4 years ago, and it has 3 brown shades that are really good for a soft glam look. A really light brown shade, and then a slightly darker just to warm that up, and they're really good transition shades because then I go in with this darker chocolate brown shade, and I just put that in the crease and on the outer corner. Just keep blending. And then I'm using the shimmer shade. It's like a rose gold. It is so pretty. I just use my finger to apply that. See how pretty that is and shimmery? I'm not doing a cut crease because this is just a soft glam, but I smoke out my lower lash line and I use this pencil from Essence. It's in black, and I just put that on my waterline. I feel like this look isn't complete unless you do black in the lower lash line and waterline. And I'm using these lashes. They're pretty natural. So there's the lashes on. I just love this eye look. It's so simple, but it really is pretty. And I use this foundation. It's by Catrice Cosmetics. I don't know if you can tell, but my skin is so dry right now. I think I'm gonna have to go to the dermatologist because I put Aquaphor on all the time. I think it's just I wash my face every day, obviously, and put makeup on a lot of days, so it's just a lot on my skin, but you can't really tell. If you're really close up, you can tell that it's super dry, especially in my chin area, but the foundation covers it pretty nicely. Now I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer again, just blending that out with my beauty blender. This blush is from Makeup Revolution. It's just a cream blush, and it blends in to where it's really subtle, so I also go in with another blush on top of it in a sec. But yeah, using Airspun. I still love Airspun. I don't know why. This blush, it's by Catrice Cosmetics, just putting that on top of the cream. And then I use this eyeshadow shade from this Catrice palette, and I just apply that with my finger on the high points of my face, and it's like a really light gold, so it's super pretty. Now I'm using this Wet n Wild lip pencil, and we're almost done. It's a nude shade, and I really like the color of this. Then I'm going with this Milani lipstick. It's in the shade 69, and this is a little darker nude shade, but I love this lipstick. I wear it almost every day. Then I just got this. It's the e.l.f. Glow Lip Oil. It's like this shimmery, really light kind of nude, and it just goes over the lipstick super perfectly. So that is the finished look. Super simple. It doesn't take very long. You don't have to wear lashes with this, but this is like a soft glam, really glowy, pretty, just natural makeup. I would wear this to work or just every day. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye!